Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to good ending Metro Exodus step by step. Begin by backing up saves, then focus on moral choices and escort outcomes that change the finale. Play with stealth and non-lethal options when possible, and prioritize characters you want to survive. Balance exploration with main objectives, and prepare for a final sequence that rewards careful planning, patience, and compassionate decisions during key moments. Aim your decisions toward compassion and protection to steer the narrative toward a hopeful conclusion. Focus on helping key NPCs and avoiding unnecessary killings to maintain moral standing. When given a choice, pause and consider long-term consequences rather than immediate gain. Use dialogue options that build trust and rescue companions where possible. This approach smooths later sequences and increases the chance of reaching the best ending through consistent, thoughtful play. Play quietly when possible and favor stealth to keep allies alive and reduce firefights. Craft priorities should include filters, medkits, and upgrades that let you avoid head-on battles. Explore side areas for meaningful items and dialogue that change character fates. Manage inventory carefully and avoid wasting resources on unnecessary fights. These small gameplay habits compound into big differences during the final sequences and help secure a better ending.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.